Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable exist title of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Then go to the all chart option. Now we can see here many chart. Now I am select the column chart. Choose the stacked column, click OK. Now we want to enable or disable the exist title. Now I am select the chart and go to the design menu, click the add element option. We can see here the exist title. You can add this, otherwise remove this. Now I am select the more option and we can see here the exist title. You can enable this or disable this. Go to the chart element option and choose the exist title. Now we can see we enable or disable the exist title in chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.